Well, I never in a million years thought I'd be able to code. Like most teachers, coding and computing is extremely daunting for any educator and for any teacher. And Kano just is a breath of fresh air. And I certainly know that if I was able to build a computer and to code 25 pictures in my first 3 hours of using the kit, absolutely anybody can.
Hello. Is it recess yet? Time for a nice cup of coffee and a little film. We've come a long way from chalkboards and tweed jackets. Technology makes our lives easier. But with 20 billion devices in the world, let's be honest, not many of us really know how they work. But there is a new generation making their own computers, learning how they work, making art, games, and music with code. And there are teachers, just like you, helping them.
It's really engaging when they first open their Kano PC boxes. All the tech is brightly colored. Then you have the experience of building it. It makes the teachers feel more confident because the children are really excited to use these resources. It lets them collaborate more and create a whole lot more.
Kano education is made by teachers, for teachers. It's a new way of learning. And it starts with the Kano PC, a Windows computer made to unlock your students' potential with simple steps. But we're also consistently creating new quality resources, standard-aligned lesson plans, full of activities, worksheets, and challenges with real learning outcomes to help you do what you do best, inspire your students. And then there's these videos, which I'm narrating, and you're watching right now. Here, you'll learn about the best ways to use Kano in your classroom, and hear some things like this.
I can hand a kid a box with the instructions on how to build it. They can put it together, and 30 minutes later, they're making art through code or music through code. It's just an amazing tool.
We know how tight budgets are. We know you often spend your own money, so a lot of our resources cost nothing. Nada. Zip. But if you do have some budget lying around, you can find out what we sell on kano.me/education or through your preferred reseller. With Kano Education, you'll learn to create, not just consume technology. We're excited to see what you and your students make. Want to hear more? Yeah. That marking can wait. Make another coffee. Let's watch some more videos.